Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be installing some clip-ins from Curlsqueen, and they did send over some goodies along with the clip-ins, and I just love their packaging. It's so cute and like elegant. It just feels like an experience. And first up is their detangling brush, and I was actually sent this before. I really like this brush. It's really nice quality. Also a bonnet and some extra clips. So the hair that I'll be wearing today is in their water curly texture, and I got it in 16 inches. They're clip-ins and they come in 10 pieces, and they're super easy to install. I'm in love with this texture. The curls are so pretty. I also loved how soft the hair was, and the curls were already ready like straight out of the packaging. You really don't even have to do much to it at all. And again, they do come in a 10-piece set, and all of the pieces have different amounts of clip-ins on them. So I'm gonna start with the longest one. So as you guys can see, I'm starting off with my hair all braided down, since this is a no leave out look, and I washed and conditioned the hair, so it is still a little damp. But I'm starting with the first clip-in at the bottom of my hair, and then I'm going to work my way up to the top. I love that the clip-ins come in different sizes and lengths, so that you can kind of customize where you lay the clip-ins depending on the style you're trying to achieve. And another thing that I love is if you want to make it easier for yourself, you don't even have to braid down the section in the back. Some people just do like a ponytail. I've tried that method before, where you just kind of put your hair in like a little ponytail or a bun, and you can literally place the clip-ins on top of it. This works especially well when you're using curly clip-ins, because you know it's gonna dry and it's gonna get bigger, and so it's really gonna hide that ponytail in the back. Like you won't even be able to see it at all. And this is the second row of clip-in. I just put that one like directly above the other one, and I keep like a nice little space in between. I'm going to be using all of the clip-ins that came in the pack, which was a set of 10, but I want to make sure that I have enough room, so I'm kind of spacing them out a little bit. Then once I get towards the end, I go back in and fill in the areas that I need to. Once I started working my way towards the front, I kind of curved the clip-ins a little bit so that the hair would hang in my face. And for the next few clips, I'm just going to be repeating that same process, taking the different clip-ins and just kind of filling my hair in until I get to the top. And as you can see, the closer that I get to the top, I kind of start doing a U shape, because I want it to go around the part in the middle, because that's where we're going to be crocheting the hair to make it look natural. Now that I'm at the top, I'm going to be taking the smallest clip-in, and I'm going to be applying that right next to the part. But you want to make sure that you leave enough room to be able to get your crochet needle underneath. And I did this style on freshly washed and braided down hair, but honestly it probably will work better if your hair has been braided down for a couple days and it's kind of fluffy at the roots. I feel like that would make it look a lot more natural. And the placement of these tracks is just so satisfying to me. I just love how perfectly everything fit together. So here's how everything looks before I start crocheting it in. As you can see, I have the clip-ins placed right next to the part, but I left enough room to be able to fit the crochet needle underneath. So now I'm going to begin crocheting the hair in, and I just usually start off in the front, and I'm just placing the crochet needle under that small section of hair that I have left out near the part. Then I'm taking a small section of hair from the clip-ins, and I'm hooking it onto the crochet needle, and then I just pull it through underneath my hair. And it's a pretty easy process. You pretty much complete the same steps until you have your desired look. But I will say, just be kind of careful whenever you're putting the crochet needle underneath your hair, just so that you won't cause any breakage. And then also whenever you're pulling the hair through, just make sure you don't do it too tight. So now I'm going to go ahead and continue that same process in the next few clips. After I was all done crocheting the hair, I just took a comb and teased it at the root, and this just helps to like really hide the track, because teasing the hair kind of makes it frizz up at the root, and so it really helps give that illusion that it's all natural. And this step is completely optional, but I like to do this step because I personally like big messy hair, and that was kind of the look that I was going for with this style. After I'm all done teasing the roots, I just went ahead and used some water and some styling foam to define the curls. And I am going for that big like messy look, so I didn't really saturate the hair, but I just wanted to get enough product in it for it to hold a little curl. And this is the styling mousse that I'm going to be using. It's from The Do, and I have been absolutely obsessed with this. It's literally an all-in-one product. This is all you will need when you're trying to define curls. I also use it whenever I'm doing like a twist out or braid out on my own hair. It moisturizes your hair, but it also makes it shiny, and it gives it a nice hold. Now I'm going in with my diffuser, and I'm just going to diffuse the hair to help it dry a little faster. And I always feel so awkward whenever I'm using a diffuser because I just never feel like I'm using it right, but it always works out in the end. So I'm going to go ahead and finish diffusing my hair, and then I will catch back up with you guys in a few more clips. So now that the hair is dry, I'm just taking my hands and playing with it a little bit and just kind of pulling the curls apart, because like I said, I'm going for like a natural messy kind of look. I'm also going to tease the hair a little bit more just to make it look more natural now that the hair is completely dry. Now I'm just taking some scissors and just kind of cutting the front of the hair so it can frame my face a little better. And the final touch is going to be this nourishing hair oil from Tymo. I just put this at the roots of the hair and I just kind of lightly worked it throughout all of the rest of the hair. Alright y'all, and here is the finished look. I absolutely love how this turned out. Again, I was going for like a natural messy kind of look, and I just love using the crochet method because it's so convenient. You don't have to worry about blending your hair, you don't have to worry about your leave out getting damaged, anything like that, because it's all braided and tucked away. But can we get into the curls, y'all? I absolutely love this hair from Curlsqueen, and again, this is their water curly clip-ins in 16 inches, and I used all 10 pieces, so I highly recommend checking them out. I will have all of their information down in my description box. I really enjoyed doing this install. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.